Well, it's still wet, but I'll manage it. And this is the Canaima Lagoon, guys. Check out that view with the palms in the water. So in total, there are 7 distinct waterfalls. Man, there's so much water getting to the boat. But yeah, there's 3 here and 4 on the other side. Look at all the foam. So this is a portion where the rapids will be extremely high and powerful. That's why everyone had to get out of the boat. We're just taking, a little survey. And here we have it. Probably one of the best views that you can get in front of the river early in the morning near a campsite. And just near the city we have another waterfall, Canaima, and you can see the beautiful goldish colors. The noise is very extreme. And back in the beautiful village of Canaima. Here is the accommodation where we're gonna stay at, the Canaima Lagoon Lodge. Kids are just walking by here. They're getting out of school. These are the rooms. I'll show you guys a little bit. Yeah, quite basic, but everything you need. So this is it. 3 beds, even though there's only 1 person. Basic. It has AC. That's all I need. Let's see the bathroom. I didn't see the bathroom. Yep, this will do. Going towards the last waterfall here in Canaima. This is the local church in the village of Canaima. And these are the streets. Check out this beautiful tree, guys. Well, it's a combination of trees. Man, the colors are so fantastic. People working on houses here in the village. They're building a new roof. Man. Yeah, it's a lodge. This is the main entrance to the lodge, or what's gonna be a lodge, or they're renovating it. But this is the lagoon right here with the other waterfall that we were just at earlier in the day. Yeah, so we pretty much just went, ate a little bit, took a shower, did our laundry, and then we just rested for a few minutes and back on the road, back exploring Canaima National Park. Oh yeah, check out my t-shirt. Got a new one with all the fauna that you will find here in Canaima. And this is the Canaima Lagoon, guys. Check out that view with the palms in the water. And there are more trees right there, so you can imagine how high the waters are. But there's still the goldish look-alike hues. Man, this is so cool, how powerful that waterfall is. And the sand, perfect beach sand right here. Yeah, this is extraordinary. This spot is really awesome. More palm trees underwater. Someone taking a bath, so yeah, definitely. You can take a swim here. I mean, look at the sand. So cool. Man, this is so extraordinary. I just got my feet wet and my socks got wet. Damn it. Yep, this trip, everything was wet from the beginning towards the end. Getting a little bit close to the waterfall. It's take some photos. Probably won't get too close because yeah, you won't be able to see anything right in front. So in total, there are 7 distinct waterfalls. Man, there's so much water getting to the boat. But yeah, there's 3 here and 4 on the other side. Look at all the foam. Man, all the cream. Crema la creme. Yeah, so during the dry season, you can actually get underneath some of these waterfalls. But now it's, I mean, the debit is extraordinary. And we have left the boat in order to go for a 25-30 minute walk to another waterfall. Yes, the lands of waterfalls here in central Venezuela.
They come out to attack the
The
other insects. They protect the plant against other insects.
So the ants protect the tree.
Imagine
The symbiosis between flora and fauna.
The plant. They come out. Look at that.
Wow.
Yes. The ants protect the plants against other animals. This is symbiosis. Ants and
What-
plants living together.
What's the name of it?
Tococa plant.
Tococa plant.
No coca. Tococa.
No coca toca.
No tococa. Tococa. ¿Te picamos, gordo? We use the ants. We get a sting with 2 ants around here 2 times against headache. The pain is stronger than headache, but the pain is just short time. When the pain gone, you don't feel anymore your headache. Look.
Yeah, let's not do it. You want to do it?
Look at. Look.
Oh, why?
Te pico, come avisa.
Vai ter que te dar, rádio.
I made it to the entrance of Sapo Falls right here. So at this waterfall, we have to go underneath this. So we're gonna be completely soaking wet. Not sure exactly what I can film and what I cannot because the flow is very heavy too, and I don't want to lose the phone. So a GoPro would have been here with a harness, would have been the best thing. But yeah, we'll see. If not, I'll just film at the end where there's a viewing point. Let's see. Man, look at that rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow. Man. So cool. Right there at the edge, at the end, is gonna be the toughest part. So yeah, let's see how soaking wet we can get. So let's see exactly how far I can go without getting wet, because starting from here, everything's getting blown on the right side. But man, this curtain, unbelievable. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm yelling a little bit in the camera because this is heavy. You can still see the rainbow through the curtain. Man. Yep, this is pretty much it. Because I can start feeling it on my body. Trying to go as close as possible towards the rock. Well, it's still wet, but I'll manage it. And on top of El Sapo Waterfall as well, check out the horseshoe right there and the beautiful, beautiful tepuis. And we have one mountain right there with the clouds at the top. Man, this is an experience, guys. I cannot describe it. I can really not describe how it is to go through that little path there. It's out of this world, absolutely out of this world. And another jewel of Venezuela, El Sapo Waterfall, with the beautiful tepus in the background. Man. Let's go a little bit on these steps. Hopefully I won't drop the phone. So when I went underneath El Sapo, I inhaled a whole bunch of water, guys, and my stomach's actually bloated. Yeah, the minerals, you see that color? That is because of the minerals that these waters contain, and it's yeah, it can be pretty bad. So yeah.
Say our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that.
And ending the day with a beautiful sunset walk back towards the boat. Man, check out that glow.
Never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die. And it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's